In this video, I'm going to show you how to add font in Affinity by Canva. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to have some text on here. So as you can see, I've just written some hello text, and you could do this by clicking this button over here to use the frame text tool. I'm sure you know how to do it. Now, when you click on that specific text, you'll be able to change its font at the very top left here, and there's a bunch of different ones. But if you would like to add a separate one, you can't actually do this inside Affinity, but you want to just install the font onto your computer and it's gonna pop up in here as well. So let me show you what I mean by that. I went to Google Fonts over here, so let me just show you. Okay, this is the website. I went to Google Fonts and I just got a random font over here which is called Bungee Spice, just for the purpose of this video. Of course, you could have gotten your font elsewhere. I got it over here, it doesn't really matter. And whenever you get your font onto your computer, you can then go ahead and extract the zip folder. So usually it's going to look like this. It's going to be inside a zip folder. I would just right click it, click on extract all, and then extract, and it's gonna open up this folder over here, which now has the TTF basically file in there, which is the TrueType font file. You want to double click it, and then here you want to just click install at the very top, and it's going to start installing your font here. And when you do that, it's going to close the window, and you can close this down as well, move this over. And now whenever I go in here, my font should be visible. So if I just type in the name, so the name was Bungee, there we go. As you can see, the font is now in here. I can just click on it, and basically the font got added, and I can just use it however I want. So that's how to add fonts inside Affinity. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.